systems full power. Look at me. I'm your brilliant creator, Dr. Robotnik. You're the second of my E-100 model machines. E-102, codename Gamma. Gamma.
Yep, that's right. Welcome to another episode of Geoffrey's Customs, and today I showcase to you my one-of-a-kind 3D printed E-102 Gamma figurine that I made, well, printed and painted. I got the model from a Tinkercad, and I had to print it in separate parts because it came in 2 documents. So I took out the first printing first, and I had to put everywhere supports, which was a pain to get off, but I managed to get it. And then I got the second part done, which is a lot easier. And in order to get these joints to get into these sockets, I had to sand down the ball joints with a nail file. And yeah, overall looks good. I also hot glued the gun because it didn't come with a socket. Anyways, for articulation, his head moves, though it's really stiff. The jet booster also moves a bit, like a swivel. It can also come off, but I'm going to keep it in there because it looks a lot better with it. The arms swivel cut. They can move like that. The elbows here move like this, and the lower part of the elbow moves too, meaning he can do a salute. So like that. His wrist swivels, which I can try to show you, but it's tricky. Oh, there we go. Yeah, his wrist swivels for that arm. This arm is sort of the same thing, except it's just this swivel up here and the ball up here. And then we get to his legs, which this guy is a bit tricky to stand up because of how his legs are positioned. The legs can move back and forth like this. They have a knee joint, a double knee joint, meaning he could bend over and do that. He can also stand up straight, and this applies for both legs. The paints I used to paint this guy is Vallejo brand paints, Vallejo acrylics that I got off of Amazon. And the paints, the colors I needed were yellow, red, gray, silver, black, a little bit green, a little bit blue, and a little orange for his little scope. Overall, he looks pretty decent, and and to scale him, like in height scale, here he is to Jack specific Yoshi. You can see Gamma is perfect in scale because I wanted to scale him to the Jack specific figurines. Overall, I think I did a good job. And oh yes, painting the number was a bit tricky. I had to figure out how to do it. So I got a piece of paper clip, and then I just dipped it in white paint and then just drew in the 102. And yeah, that's Gamma. What do you think about him? Like, what's your thoughts on this print that I made? Well, printed. Like, it's pretty cool. Like, I know there are some spots like these parts I couldn't paint because I just didn't have the time, but it's barely noticeable. Because this is all hand painted, not, air sprayed. So yeah, that's E-102 Gamma. Feel free to stay tuned for my next custom, which I might be planning to do. This is Geoffrey signing out.